How's it going, everybody? This is Blue Hair Dave with another stimulus check update. I'm here with my super expensive, really fancy green screen. As you can tell, it works awesome. So I have some information about the website and people were having some problems, and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to do a walkthrough showing you how to go to the IRS website and what information to put in to check on the status of your stimulus check. So here we go. If you follow the link that's below the video, we're going to go ahead and navigate the site. And here we are, economic impact payments. And you simply just scroll down to get my payment if you filed taxes. Okay, so if you filed your 2018 or 2019 taxes, that's where you need to go on that option right there. And you just go to get my payment. Okay, a little warning here. And then you enter your social and your date of birth, your street address, your zip, and then you hit continue. Okay, and it's really about as simple as that. Now, there might be another page or two after that, but it's just a couple questions so that they know who you are. All right. So earlier today, this was not working. This was not working 1 hour ago. It's working right now. So go ahead and use that. And I'm going to back out of here. And I'm also going to show you where you go if you are a non-filer. Okay. This is if you did not file a 2018 or 19 federal income tax return because your gross income is under $12,200 or $24,400 for married couples. This includes people who had no income or weren't required to file a 2018 or 2019 federal income tax. Okay. It says, do not use this application for this part right here if you receive the benefits below. If you receive these benefits, you only have your information and you'll receive $1,200. That is if you get SSDI, which is Social Security, you have a Social Security retirement, you have disability, which is SSDI, or survivor benefits, or railroad retirement and survivor benefits. And there's a special note here. People in these groups who have qualifying children under age 17 can use this application to claim $500 payments per child. And this process is going to be a little bit different. They're going to explain. There's a lot to go through here. It'll be a very long video, but it's going to ask who's eligible, and there's some questions you need to answer. And then you can enter your payment info here if you belong to those things that they're asking. Then it's going to ask you to go here, okay? And it's non-filer, enter payment info. Some people have gotten this money. Some of it's been delayed. There's also word that some of the printed checks, or many of them, are going to be delayed because of a misprint. The rumor is that the president is insisting that his signature gets put on those. We're going to look into that story a little bit further. Okay, so I'm going to wrap this up together. I just want to do a quick video to show you guys how to do this. Subscribe and like the page if you like this assistance. I'm Blue Hair Dave. We talk about all things work from home and people who work out of their house, who work from home, and people who pay taxes, because this is a big one and a lot of people will be getting these benefits. Take care. In Cabo.